I'll be using Canson watercolor paper. It's 18 by 24, 140 pound. Next process is lining and drawing the picture with pencil. Usually before I start, I've usually drawn out what I want to do on Photoshop before this, so I can adjust what colors I want to make the squares, the rectangles, and all. So we got quite a few hours into the painting before the painting starts. Taping process takes quite a while. It's try to tape it so I can paint many squares or many rectangles at the same time without having to remove the tape and move it to another rectangle. This way it allows me to do several colors. I try to paint all the colors, same color at one time. You know, get all the orange done, all the red done, as you've probably seen in the other paintings. I mount my painting, I mount the paper on one of these styrofoam boards, paper covered boards you pick up at the dollar store. Seemed to work good for when you have to turn the painting. If I taped it to the desk, it's a lot harder to tape it, untape it, tape it, untape it, just to move around to get the paper at the right angle you want. I don't know if I said, but the taping process takes quite a while. It actually takes longer to tape up all these rectangles and than it does to paint it. One problem with the tape is that if you tape over a painted surface, sometimes when you remove the tape, the paint will come up with the tape and you can damage the surface of the paper. I know in the beginning I used to line the pictures with the black paint marker prior to painting it, but I found that when I removed the tape off the black lines, it would remove some of the paper from the surface of the paper. So I tried to stop doing that and line afterwards. You need the tape. The tape's kind of expensive. It's Scotch tape. It's painter's tape. It's supposed to be able to, make sharp lines, which I need. I tried using some of the cheaper tapes, but it has a lot of bleed through. It'll bleed under the tape into the other color, which is not good, especially if you're painting a dark color next to a light color, and say it's black or dark blue, and it runs into a yellow or a white. It really takes a lot of coats, many coats of the light paint to cover that dark color that was slid under the tape to it, so. It's a lot of fun though. I enjoy making these paintings. I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy making them. Pens I use they're called painters. They're an acrylic pen. They work nice. You can probably do maybe 2 paintings with 1 pen before it runs out of ink. You can see it takes quite a while to tape up the painting. I've been using this black paint. It's Deco Art Lamp Black. It is just solid black. I've tried other blacks, and sometimes you need 2 coats with them, but not this. This is just, it's a very dull black. But when I put the varnish coat at the end, it becomes quite glossy. The whole picture becomes glossy. Here I'm adding a little peach, it's a little light peach paint, peach color paint to the skin of the hand. Of course, now we'll sign it, and it's off to dry and be varnished. Hope you enjoyed this picture of me making this picture as much as I enjoyed making it. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, thank you. Hello everybody, it's Jhimm. This is the beginning of a new series of paintings. This is Margarita number 1. It's 18 by 24. Shown here in a frame, but it does not come in a frame. It will come rolled up in a tube if you're going to purchase it on eBay. So you all have a nice day while I enjoy my margarita. Bye-bye now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to you.